And so what I advocate as a coach is mindful dating. What I advocate is intentional dating, because we've been indoctrinated into this belief that chemistry equals relationship success. And it's all just, rainbows and sunshine and angels singing. And if it feels that way, you're going to be in a successful relationship. And I'm like, compatibility is so not underappreciated. Humans operate almost ambivalent to the need of compatibility in values, in lifestyle, but most importantly, emotional maturity. And we have a population of human beings that are emotionally dysfunctional, particularly those out in the dating marketplace. I mean, we have a pretty emotionally weak, poor relationship skills population, and they go into the dating marketplace going, oh, the next person will fix me,
It sounds like from that, with your experience and understanding, you could probably put together a series of questions that could be used as an algo in dating apps.
Well, to some degree, actually in my private coaching, it's an exercise called radical honesty, pre-qualifying your prospect. And
Nice.
I used to be in sales, so that's why I use it, pre-qualifying your prospect. But yeah, we design individualized questions for building to really get to know another human being. You see, if you think about what's the purpose of dating, the purpose is to get to the truth of who this other person is and to see if their truth matches your truth, if you will. But humans operate so much based on lust, on limerence, based on chemistry, that we oftentimes wear rose-colored glasses when it comes to the truth of another person. In many cases, people have blinders on, and they hope that, if we just pretend like if we're just not serious about it, it will just all magically work out. So I'm here to encourage some real objective way of approaching it versus the fantasy or chemical way that we approach dating.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, I've in the past been guilty myself of saying to myself, well, that's a red flag, but let's just put that aside for now. You know what I mean?
We humans have this capacity to take a red flag and paint it green. We can even go, oh, this is a red flag, and we paint it green. But, or we can wear rose-colored glasses.
It'd be really awesome if you liked and subscribed.